Hi, my name is Diganta, and this one is my Android based mobile game, survival shooter game. Life 180 is my Udacity Capstone project based on the topic of emotion, which I represent here as a horror or thriller, and this is my video walkthrough. Now I explain the user testing. I have three user testing. A few of my friends helped me out. The first user testing, the scene scale and mood. The user told me that they are not comfortable with the subway scale. They are telling that they feel the door is little bit bigger. So I rectify it next time and adjusted it. And I asked, what do you like about the scene and the mood? And he explained me, I like everything in the scene. Mood is horror and bold. Next, the user test 2, controlling the UI. Here I asked, are you able to see the instruction on the start panel? And he said, yes, but title is far and make me discomfortable and bigger. So I adjusted it. And the exit door, I asked, what about the exit door from the room? Can you see the instruction on the panel? And he is like more comfortable with that. Now user test 3, movement in game. I asked that, what do you think about the speed and which you are moving through waypoint? He's telling that he feels pretty natural. And then I asked test about sound and lighting. Do you like the light? He told me that he is thinking is little bit lower. So I adjusted the light intensity. I asked that his sound is okay or clear. He's telling it's okay. Now I'll explain the two Unity scene where I use it. First is start scene. Second is the game scene. Now I'll show you the game scene. Here in game scene, I use light. There is a different kind of light. I use point light. I use directional light. Directional light, I make the color little bit blue. The intensity is one is 0.3. Basically, I use directional light for shadow. I use soft shadow. Now, what you are watching, this is bake light. I bake the scene. You can see the zombies and wall of the subway and waypoints and few objects here and there. Okay, now this is my subway where the total game is happening. You can see there is a little bit zigzag path where there is a start point and here is an exit point where I keep on door the name exit door. This is a total one unit of the subway. You can see this. Here is a train line where the zombie is coming. In between some old item over there, box, drum. Here I explain zombies. I use zombies as an enemy where the zombies had some external animation, and I use nab mesh agent as a AI, whereas the zombie will come in front of camera. Wherever the camera move in world space, anywhere, the zombie will come near to camera. So the user has to shoot and kill them. I use some capsule collider for that. So when the user will shoot through gun, the bullet will go inside the head or body, then the zombie will die. Now I use one zombie script to merge all the collider and the target of the gun point. When the zombie will die, it fall back. That is a different animation I use, and it will it will not go inside the ground because of gravity. I use here on gravity. Now to shoot the zombie, I use one gun which I download from Unity asset, and here I use an animation for gun shooting, and inside that gun the bullet will come out where I use bullet as a reference. Here I use one cross which I model it in Maya. This one will use as a key to open the exit door. Once you click or collect the cross, then only the door, the exit door will unlock. So here I am trying to use as a gamification of the game. Now inside the game, how the user will move. So I'm trying to use some waypoint to indicate that there's some square box that is green color. You have to click and you have to move forward or backward. I'm trying to show that locomotion over here. Now we are in first scene. Here I'm trying to explain UI. So in the start scene, if you read the total instruction of the game, where I explain that how to move, where to go, what to collect, and how to exit from the scene. So this is my UI. And the main scene at the end, after the open the exit door, I show that how to go back to your first scene. So this is my UI section. Now I want to show the 3D modeling. Here I use many object to download from Unity or some other website also. Now few things I model it like skull, cross, door, exit door, and some old item like drum, some box. So these all are my 3D model, and whereas I use some shader, basic shader and texture also. One thing you have to remember about this game, if you want to finish this game or you want to win this game, you have to finish this game within 180 seconds. That's why I put the name of the game is Life 180. That means you have to finish your game within 180 seconds, otherwise you lose your life. Now we are in end part. So where you will get the game, you can get it in Google App Store, whereas I put the link in the document section. or readme file, or this project you can download it and play in your mobile. It's an Android base, so it won't play in iOS. And I think you will enjoy the game, and hope I explain everything whatever is requirement for Capstone project. Thank you very much.